Hi, how's it going? It's me and Max. He's my helper today. But today it's day 4 now, so we're gonna start putting up the official Halloween decorations, if you will. Yesterday we did the lighting, which came out so good. I have to show you a couple pictures just so you guys can see the freaking effect. But this was last night, and you can see how freaking vibrant the colors are. And then also kind of the black light effect that it's giving off. So this was a ton of fun. Like I said yesterday, as far as lighting goes, it was pretty inexpensive, but I highly recommend putting some lighting into your design this year because it just really amplifies the space, man. I know I keep saying that, but I mean, it does, okay? So what are you gonna do? All right, today though, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the spider webs. So a couple days ago in my design, you saw that I have these giant spider webs going across 3 of my walls. My back wall, my right wall, and then also my front wall. So I'm using these kind of all over the place, even though they're giant decorations. But this is supposed to be incredibly easy, and honestly, I think this is the cheapest project in my entire event. And this is gonna add a lot of drama, you know? It's really gonna make the place spooky because it's spider webs, all right? Spider webs. But if this is something you guys wanna do as well, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually do it, but you're also gonna need to know what in the heck you're gonna need. So, supplies. You're gonna need some yarn. I just picked this up at the Dollar Tree. I also have some in my closet, but you need some yarn, and you're also gonna need some tape, which you might already have. But that being said, for me, with as many spider webs as I'm gonna be doing, I picked up 2 rolls of yarn. That's about 600 feet here. And then I have this entire thing of tape. So altogether, if I used all of this, it's $3. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, man. And this is supposed to be pretty quick. It shouldn't be all that hard. So you can't beat that, all right? So I'm so excited about this one. I can't wait to turn the lights on after we're all done with this. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it first so you can completely replicate it and won't have any questions, hopefully. And then I'll finish the rest of the room, and then we'll kind of do like a reveal so you guys can see the effect, all right? Cool, let's go. Okay, so you can see I have 1 piece of yarn on the wall now. So I didn't show that to you, but that's because this part's very simple. What you're gonna do is cut 1 long piece of yarn, tape it at the corner of your wall, and then have it go all the way up to where your wall meets the ceiling, and tape it up there as well. So 1 straight line. Very exciting stuff. But you're gonna do this quite a few times and have them all intersect at the same point. That's what I'm gonna show you now. And this will be our anchor for the rest of our web. Okay, so this part's very important. So let's go ahead and just start getting into it. Okay, so start extending your lines across your wall. You can do however many you like, but the main thing that you need to make sure you do is that each line intersects the same point. So you can see me wrapping my yarn around the center just so everything is secured, and I'm guaranteeing that everything intersects at the same exact point. Make sure you secure all of your anchor lines, and then once that's done, you can start weaving your yarn through to make the web. First thing, you just want to go ahead and make a knot. Once that's done, go ahead and start weaving your yarn through your anchor lines, and you just want to start underneath 1 line, wrap it over, and then go right under that same piece again before you start on your next anchor line. And then you just repeat it over and over and over again. Yay! This is all done. I'm very excited. As you can tell, it's looking good. It's looking spooky. But I was only able to do this back wall that you guys are actually seeing right now because my husband needs to move my arm more because I'm a scrappy little gal and he's not here. So I will have to do the other walls later. But I think it's gonna end up looking really good because just judging from this wall alone, this is pretty cool. So I highly recommend this project. This was so easy. You could probably do this with your kids like 5 and up. And it was also ridiculously cheap. You know, I got the dollar yarn from Dollar Tree and I haven't even really used half of it yet. So ridiculously cheap, ridiculously cheap, okay? So you have nothing to lose, you know? Just go get some yarn, go have some fun. Put some spider webs up on your wall, you know? Why not? One little thing I will say is maybe play around with how thick you want your yarn. I think this looks good, but I am kind of curious, I'm not gonna lie, what it would look like if I used thicker yarn. Just saying, maybe play with that. But yes, this is it. These are the spider webs on the wall. Tomorrow I'm gonna start working on the bats, so we'll end up finishing out my curtain wall over here. So if you guys wanna see that, come check me back out tomorrow. But I'll see you then. Bye.